In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam games, NAS opening on Windows 11. If your Steam game won't launch, freezes before opening, or seems like nothing happens when you click play, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed with a couple of simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through a straightforward process that can help get Steam working properly again. The first thing you should do is restart Steam and your PC. Start by exiting Steam completely. Make sure it's fully closed and not still running in the background. Sometimes Steam may appear closed, but parts of it are still active, which can prevent a game from launching correctly. After closing Steam, restart your computer. This helps clear temporary glitches, refresh background services, and reset anything that may be interfering with the game. Once your PC turns back on, launch Steam again and try opening your game. This basic step often solves temporary launch issues without needing any advanced fixes. If the game still doesn't open, the next step is to run Steam as an administrator. First, close Steam again. Then find your Steam shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions on Windows 11, which can help if the game is being blocked from accessing certain files, folders, or system resources it needs to start. In some cases, a game may fail to launch simply because Steam doesn't have the right level of access. After opening Steam this way, try launching the game again and see if it works. These are some of the simplest and most effective ways to resolve this problem. Even though they may seem basic, they are often enough to fix game launch issues on Windows 11, especially if the problem is related to permissions or a temporary system error. It's a good idea to test the game after each step so you can quickly tell what solved the issue. If one of these methods works for you, you can keep using that approach whenever the problem comes up again. And if not, at least you've ruled out two of the most common causes and can move on to deeper troubleshooting with more confidence. That's all for this video. Thank you.